Hi everyone, Anthony Morganti here. I have some news about Capture One that I want to share with you in this video. This morning I received an email from Capture One telling me that they're going to be eliminating their affiliate program. Effective December 10th, myself and anyone else that is an affiliate for Capture One will no longer be affiliates for Capture One. What this means for you is that many of us affiliates have discount codes. Those discount codes are going to stop working as well, but they're going to stop working on November 19th. So if you're thinking of buying Capture One and you want to save 10%, do so before November 19th. I would recommend do it by November 18th because they're going to stop working on the 19th. In the description below this video, I'll have a link to Capture One and I'll have my discount code listed if you want to take advantage of it before it expires. Now, it's important that we don't read anything ominous into this announcement. They did mention that they're reevaluating their affiliate program. They're not really sure it's benefiting them. So they're going to discontinue it for now, and they may reinstitute it in a different form in the future. Often, companies do that. They reevaluate what they're doing and decide whether or not what they're doing is actually beneficial to them. And that is the way I read the email is nothing more than that. They don't think the affiliate program is working for them the way they expected it to. So they're ending it for now and they may reinstitute it in the future. But because of that, those discount codes are going to stop working, and that's the reason for me making this video. So it's ending the discount codes as far as, the important part. They're going to stop working on November 19th. So make sure if you are purchasing it and you want to save 10%, do so before then. Thank you, everyone who watches my videos. I really do appreciate it. Talk to you guys soon.